Porsche Cayenne General Repairs. Porsche is a German automobile manufacturer specializing in high-performance sports cars, SUVs and sedans. Headquartered in Stuttgart, Baden-Württemberg, Germany, the 2020 Porsche Cayenne is a luxury SUV that combines performance, comfort, and practicality. Below are key features and specifications for the 2020 Porsche Cayenne. Servicing your Porsche Cayenne regularly is essential to ensure its performance, reliability, and longevity. Here are some key maintenance tasks and tips for Porsche Cayenne service. Follow maintenance schedule. Refer to your Porsche Cayenne owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. This typically includes regular oil changes, filter replacements, tire rotations, and inspections of various components. Adhering to the recommended maintenance intervals helps keep your Cayenne in optimal condition. Authorized service centers. Choose authorized Porsche service centers or reputable mechanics experienced with Porsche vehicles. They have access to genuine Porsche parts and are trained to handle repairs and maintenance tasks specific to Cayenne models. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly check and replace essential fluids such as engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, and power steering fluid according to Porsche's recommendations. Proper fluid levels and quality are crucial for your Cayenne's performance and longevity. Brake system inspection. Ensure that your Cayenne's brakes are inspected regularly, including brake pads, rotors, calipers, and brake fluid. Properly functioning brakes are critical for safety. Tire maintenance. Monitor tire tread depth, tire pressure, and overall tire condition regularly. Rotate your tires according to Porsche's recommended intervals to promote even wear and extend tire life. Also, check for signs of uneven wear or damage and replace tires as needed. Battery health. Keep an eye on your Cayenne's battery health, especially if you notice any signs of a weak battery or difficulty starting. Consider replacing the battery if it's old or showing signs of deterioration. Electrical system. Check electrical components such as lights, wipers, and power accessories regularly to ensure they are functioning correctly. Replace any bulbs that are burnt out or dim. Safety recalls and updates. Stay informed about any safety recalls or software updates issued by Porsche for your Cayenne. Ensure that these are addressed promptly by scheduling an appointment with your authorized Porsche service center. By staying proactive with your Porsche Cayenne's maintenance and addressing any issues promptly, you can help ensure its performance, reliability, and safety on the road. Regular servicing also helps maintain the vehicle's resale value and reliability over time.